At why Willys Sedan, a detailed history description. At why sense about Willys-Overland Motors. Founded, 1908, as Overland, renamed Willys-Overland in 1912. Headquarters, Toledo, Ohio, USA. Famous for creating the original Jeep used in Willys MB. Production span, sedans, 1910s to mid-1950s. Willys focused on affordable, compact cars, including coupes, sedans, and military vehicles. As notable Willys sedan models. 1. Willys-Knight, 1914A 1933. Powered by a sleeve valve engine, advanced at the time. Sold as luxury sedans, coupes, and touring cars. Known for their smooth and quiet operation. Targeted the upper middle class. 2. Willys 77, 1933A 1936. Small and economical car during the Great Depression. Offered as 2-door and 4-door sedans. Compact, reliable, and budget-friendly. 3. Willys Americana, 1941A 1942. One of the last passenger cars before we halted production. Came in 2-door sedan, coupe, and station wagon. Later used as the base for drag racing cars in the 1950s to 60s. 4. Willys Aero, 1952A 1955. Post-war modern sedan. Compact and stylish, offered with i4 and i6 engines. Available as Aero Lark, Aero Ace, Aero Wing. Sold both in the US and Brazil. Willys do Brasil. Brazil continued Aero production until 1971. At the Legacy International production. Brazil, Willys sedans, especially the Aero, were popular and produced under license for many years. India, Willys Jeeps were licensed to Mahindra. Jeep brand evolution. After Willys became the original owner of the Jeep brand, later sold to Kaiser Motors, then AMC, and eventually Chrysler. Dissection key features of Willys sedans. Feature details. Body styles: 2-door, 4-door sedans, coupes, wagons. Engine types: inline 4, inline 6, sleeve valve engines. Drive type: rear-wheel drive, RWD. Build quality: basic but durable. Focus on economy use case: urban transportation, family cars, economic cars. The degrees I era Sedan era. By the mid-1950s, Willys exited the passenger car market. It focused on utility vehicles, Jeeps, CJ, pickup trucks, wagons. The Willys name disappeared from cars by the 1960s. At why Willys sedans matter. Represented early innovation in American automotive design. Combined affordability, reliability, and compactness. Willys sedans are now considered rare collector cars. Their role in shaping Jeep's future is historically important.